Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
Hi stars, it's Tolu here, and in this quick YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you my top 3 Pilates poses that I use to grow my glutes and keep my glutes firm. So I've been doing Pilates, mat-based Pilates for 5 years now, and I'm currently training to become a mat-based Pilates instructor. So of course, this is not medical advice, and it's a fitness advice that you can take at your own discretion. But trust me, these are the top poses that I've been doing every day for 5 years to grow my glutes. Before we get into it, I just want to say that your diet is just as important as well. So making sure that you're getting that protein in, but also eating a lot of fruits and vegetables to keep your body firm and healthy. So let's get into it. So the first pose is the bed dog poses. So what you do is you come on all fours like so, making sure that your core is activated. Keep everything nice, tight and firm. You extend one leg and then you just pulse it up and down like so. You can do 8 on each side to start with, or 10 on each side for 3 reps. So the important thing is to keep your legs straight, your core tight, but also making sure that your glutes contract when you get to the top. So it's not about lifting your leg too high, but about maintaining that momentum. 10. I'll turn to the other side. I feel like that was more than 10. So you can see on this side, move forward a bit, and then so you want to do 3 reps on that on each side, and then build momentum up from there. So the next pose is the scorpion tail, and with the scorpion tail you come on all fours again like so. Lift your leg up, open and close. You open your hip and you close. You can do 8 of those. So some people find this quite hard. When I exercise with my friends and I give them this pose to do, some people have found it to be quite hard. But the thing about working your muscles every day is that you build strength and mental resilience as well. So again, you make sure that your core is tight and engaged, and you're just opening and closing like so. Okay, you feel it on this side. And now we're going to do this leg, and you feel it on the other side. So you come on all fours, core is tight and engaged, leg up, open and close, open, nice. So you want to do, obviously do the same on each side, and if you do 8 on each side for 3 reps, and then you build on from there. So the third Pilates pose is the glute bridges. So it's just a classic glutes. You come down on your back, making sure that your lower back is tight to the floor. You lift up to a bridge, hold for 1 second, keeping your glutes tight, and then you come back down. And then you can do 10 of this. So this is a beginner friendly one. So 10 and rest, and that's pretty much it. So try these 3 exercises to start with. It's a very foundational way of growing your glutes. So you want to first start by building strength in your glutes. Try this for 7 days. If you do this for 7 days straight, it sort of activates your muscles and it gives you that strength that you need, and then you can start to build up on this to build your glutes. So this is a very foundational way to start. Let me know if you found it helpful. Bye.